Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a topic that can feel super intimidating but is actually one of the most powerful things you can do for your future, investing. Specifically, we're creating the ultimate step-by-step guide on how to start investing in the US, even if you're a complete beginner with zero experience. I promise by the end of this video, you'll feel confident and ready to take your first steps. So grab a notebook and let's demystify the world of investing together. First things first, let's talk about mindset. Investing isn't about getting rich quick or timing the market perfectly. It's about playing the long game. It's about letting your money work for you over time through the magic of compound interest. Think of it like planting a tree. You don't expect it to become a giant oak overnight, right? You plant the seed, you water it, and you give it time to grow. Your investments are the same. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. So, the number one rule is start now, even if it's with a small amount. Okay, step 1. Define your why. Why do you want to invest? Is it for retirement in 30 years, a down payment on a house in 5 years, or maybe just to build wealth for the future? Your goals are crucial because they determine your timeline and how much risk you're comfortable taking. Someone saving for retirement far in the future can generally afford to take on more risk than someone needing the money in a couple of years. So, take a moment and write down your financial goals. Be specific. This why will be your anchor, keeping you motivated and focused, especially when the market gets a little bumpy. Step 2. Get your financial house in order. Before you start investing, you need a solid foundation. This means two things: having an emergency fund and paying off high-interest debt. An emergency fund is typically 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in an easily accessible savings account. This is your safety net. If an unexpected expense pops up, you can use this fund instead of having to sell your investments, potentially at a loss. Next, tackle high-interest debt like credit card debt. The interest rates on these can be incredibly high, often much higher than the average returns you can expect from the stock market. Paying off a credit card with a 20% interest rate is like getting a guaranteed 20% return on your money. It's a no-brainer. Now for the exciting part. Step 3. Choose your investment account. This is where your money will live and grow. For beginners, there are a few main types to consider. The first is a brokerage account. This is a general-purpose investment account. It's flexible. You can put money in and take it out whenever you want, but you will pay taxes on your gains. Then there are retirement accounts, which offer amazing tax advantages. The two most common are the 401k and the IRA. A 401k is typically offered by your employer. Many employers will even match a certain percentage of your contributions. That's free money. If your job offers a 401k with a match, contributing enough to get the full match should be your top priority. If you don't have a 401k, or if you've already maxed out your employer match, you should look into an IRA, which stands for Individual Retirement Arrangement. There are two main types, a traditional IRA and a Roth IRA. With a traditional IRA, you might get a tax deduction on your contributions now, but you'll pay taxes when you withdraw the money in retirement. With a Roth IRA, you contribute with after-tax money, meaning no tax deduction now, but your qualified withdrawals in retirement are completely tax-free. For many young investors or those who expect to be in a higher tax bracket in the future, the Roth IRA is an incredibly powerful tool. You can open an IRA at most major brokerage firms online in just a few minutes. Step 4. Pick your brokerage. A brokerage is the company that gives you access to the stock market. Think of it as the store where you go to buy your investments. For beginners, you want a brokerage that is user-friendly, has low or no fees, and offers good educational resources. Some of the most popular and reputable options in the U.S. are firms like Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. There are also app-based brokerages like Robinhood or Webull, which are known for their very simple interfaces. Do a little research. check out their websites and see which one feels right for you. The good news is that competition is fierce, so most major brokers now offer zero-commission trades on stocks and ETFs, which is fantastic for new investors. Step 5. Decide what to invest in. This is the part that trips up most people. With thousands of options, what should you actually buy? Let's keep it simple. As a beginner, you don't need to be a stock-picking genius. In fact, trying to pick individual winning stocks is incredibly difficult, even for professionals. The easiest and most recommended strategy for beginners is to invest in low-cost index funds or ETFs. An ETF or exchange-traded fund is like a basket that holds hundreds or even thousands of different stocks or bonds. For example, you can buy an S&P 500 index fund. By buying just one share of this fund, you are instantly diversified across the 500 largest companies in the United States. You own a tiny piece of Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and hundreds of other successful businesses. This is called diversification, and it's your best friend in investing. It spreads out your risk so that if one company does poorly, it has a very small impact on your overall portfolio. Some popular S&P 500 ETFs have ticker symbols like VU, IVV, or SPY. You can also find total stock market index funds like VTI, which give you exposure to the entire U.S. stock market, including small and mid-sized companies. For most people, a simple portfolio of one or two broad market index funds is all you need to build long-term wealth. Step 6, and this is the most important one. Automate and be consistent. The secret sauce to successful investing isn't a hot stock tip. It's consistency. This strategy is called dollar cost averaging. It means you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, say $100 every month, regardless of what the market is doing. When the market is up, your $100 buys fewer shares. When the market is down, your $100 buys more shares. Over time, this averages out your purchase price and removes the emotion and guesswork of trying to time the market. Almost every brokerage allows you to set up automatic transfers and investments. Set it, forget it, and let your money do the hard work in the background. Whether it's $50 a month or $500 a month, the key is to start and to be consistent. So, let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Define your goals. Step 2. Build your financial foundation with an emergency fund and by paying off high-interest debt. Step 3. Choose an investment account like a 401k or a Roth IRA. Step 4. Open an account with a beginner-friendly brokerage. Step 5. Invest in low-cost, diversified index funds or ETFs. And Step 6, automate your contributions and stay consistent. I know this was a lot of information, but don't feel overwhelmed. You don't have to do it all at once. Just take the first step. Maybe that's just opening a brokerage account today. Or maybe it's setting up that automatic transfer. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and your journey to financial freedom is no different. You've got this. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay the course, be patient, and trust the process. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on personal finance and investing. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer them. See you in the next video.